How to find relationship settings on Facebook mobile. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find relationship settings on Facebook mobile. First thing, go to Facebook and then click these three lines here and go down until you find settings and privacy and then click settings and go down until you find this one, profile information, and go down here and you will find this one, relationship. Then just click add relationship and then just select anything you want and click settings. And that's how to find relationship settings on Facebook mobile. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe and see you in the next video.